Hello everyone! In today's video, we are going to learn 10 useful phrasal verbs with C. Phrasal verbs are an essential part of English language learning, and mastering them can greatly enhance your fluency. So, let's get started. 1. Come across. This phrasal verb means to find or discover something unexpectedly. For example, I came across an old photo album while cleaning my attic. 2. Call off. To cancel or terminate something. For instance, they had to call off the meeting due to bad weather conditions. 3. Check out. This phrasal verb has multiple meanings. It can refer to examining or looking at something, like, I want to check out the new restaurant in town. It can also mean to leave a hotel or place of accommodation, as in, we need to check out of the hotel by noon. 4. Carry on. This phrasal verb can mean to continue doing something or to behave in a particular way. For example, despite the challenges, we must carry on with our plans. It can also refer to behaving in an excessive or uncontrolled manner, like, he carried on drinking all night and regretted it the next day. 5. Come up with. To produce or create something, especially when it requires creativity or ingenuity. For instance, she always comes up with innovative solutions to difficult problems. 6. Cut down. This phrasal verb means to reduce in size, quantity, or duration. For example, I need to cut down on junk food to improve my health. It can also refer to chopping down trees, as in, they had to cut down the old tree because it was a safety hazard. 7. Carry out. To fulfill or complete a task, a plan, or an action. For instance, the researchers carried out a series of experiments to test their hypothesis. 8. Come on. This phrasal verb can be used as an expression to encourage or persuade someone to do something. For example, come on, you can do it. Don't give up. It can also be used to express disbelief or annoyance, like, oh, come on. You must be joking. 9. Come into. To inherit or receive something, usually related to money or property. For example, she came into a large sum of money after her grandparents passed away. 10. Count on. To rely or depend on someone or something. For instance, you can always count on your best friend to support you during difficult times. And there you have it. 10 phrasal verbs with the letter C. Remember, using phrasal verbs in your everyday conversations will make your English more natural and fluent. I encourage you to practice them in context and try using them in your own sentences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more language learning content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.